Hi, today I'm going to show how you can create a Instagram story advertisement from Facebook Ads Manager. To create a campaign, just open your Facebook Ads Manager, then click on Create tab. Here you can select the campaign objective engagement, then click Continue button. So we are already in the campaign creation window. Here you can give any campaign name, then click the next button. Here you can give any ad set name, then scroll down. Here you can click on own your ad, then make sure the video view is selected. Scroll down. Set your budget, daily budget or lifetime budget. Then you can set your start date and end date. Scroll down. Here you can set your location where you want to run your campaign. Then you can target your audience to click the switch to original audience option. Here you can select your custom audience, or you can do the detailed targeting for interest, behavior or demographic audience selection from here. Then set your other targeting option like location, age, gender, etc. Then scroll down. Here you can select your placement. By default, automatic placement is selected. You can switch it to manual placement. Then scroll down. So we are going to create a Facebook or Instagram story promotion. So you can off the feed option from here, placement. Here you can see Instagram stories and Facebook stories and messenger stories. So I will keep on this one, and also off other placements. Okay, everything is off. Only now replacement is on, that is Instagram stories, Facebook stories and messenger stories. So you can see here right side the preview, 9:16 images or videos. So you need to make sure your content, your video or image should be this dimension, 9:16 in pixel. This is the pixel dimension, 1080 into 1920 pixel. So this is the dimension for the stories. So 3 placement is selected. Now I'm going to click next button to continue. So this is ad level. Make sure your page is selected, Facebook page and Instagram. Here you can see create your ad. So you can upload your image or video. To click this button, you can click the upload button to upload your file. I have already uploaded here the file. I am going to select. I'm going to click the next button. So there is some trimming and cropping option. I'm not going to edit from here. I'm going to click the next button to continue, then click the done button. So now you can see the preview for your Facebook and Instagram story advertisement. Okay, now you can publish your campaign. So it's already published. I'm going to close the window. So now you can see the campaign was already published and it's processing. I'm going to just click the preview. So now you can see this is the Facebook story. This one is Instagram story, and this is the messenger story. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.